And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver is trading at a level of $30.376. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, see there is a U pattern forming. After that it is trying to go down, but this is the range where the price is moving for so long. This is the range, and as soon as this range breakout happens, we have seen a fall. Similarly, this was the range and then an upside. Now it was in this range, and then as soon as started going upside, we have seen a higher side. See, this level, a level after $26 we have seen has come after 2 years. Okay, so chances was very high it will go further upside. As soon as started going up this level, it made a half around 29.2, and this 29.2 is a previous year high of 2021. Okay, and then it profit booking come at this level because this level is already being tested once. So a probability was higher that it can bounce back from this level. It bounced back and profit booking come, it came down again towards 25.9, and then this particular support started bouncing it again, and then it made a particular high of around $32.4. Now looking at $32.4, what we have seen that this level 32.4 is we have not seen since 2012. So now it is around 12 years high. So now you have to understand, looking at this particular chart, that at a level of around $30 you can say, because see this is a strong support, a level of around 30. So if it comes again, see it is now at a level of 30, so it will bounce back again. Okay, if the price started touching again a level of $30, see, because it has not touched this particular level still. Okay, now if it started touching a level of around 30, then it will bounce back. Now it is above this particular level of 30.3. So looking at this particular chart, what we can see that as soon as started going up this level, it will go again towards a level of 31.4, and from there a further upside movement we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can go, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now look at the dollar index. If you look at the dollar index, it is trying to go down. The overall trend is down. As soon as the price started going below a level of 104.5, a further downfall we can see towards 104 also. Okay, because then there will be a zone breakout, so chances of going further low we can see towards 104. Okay, and if the price started going below 104, we can see it can touch a level of 103 also. Then the price of silver can go upside. Okay, because there are inverse relation between silver and dollar index. Okay, but if the price started going again above a level of 105, then we can see this trend will form towards an upside, and chances of touching a level of 105.6 we can see, and from there a further high towards 106.12, and then a further upside towards 107 also we can see. Okay, then the silver price can come down, and yes, there can be a probability it can come down. On the mail ID I've given you, stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com. Okay, this is the mail ID where you can mail me also for regarding workshop, any doubts, or one-on-one session. If you have a large quantity, big quantity, we can strategize it. Okay, or if you're a beginner, okay, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now looking at this particular silver chart, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain, see it is trying to form, it's a doji candle form for this particular week. Okay, so if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards its next resistance at a level of $31.490. Okay, if the price sustain above that particular level, it will go towards its next level of $32.236. Okay, and once the price keep moving up with this particular level, chance of touching a level of 32.517 will be there. Okay, suppose if the price started sustaining of 32.517, a further upside we can see towards a level of around 33.182. Okay, and if it started going above a level of 33.182, a further upside we can see towards a level of around $34.353, and from there a further upside movement we can see towards a level of around $35.363. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of $37.436. Chances are very high that it will go further upside if the price started sustaining above a level of 30.5. Okay, because see, a bounce back will come from this level, it will go towards a level of 31.5, then to a level of 32.3, and if that's sustained, then we can see level 33.182, and from there a level of $34.43, and then it will go towards a level 35.2, and then further upside. I'll make another video if the price started going above level of 34 or $35. Okay, now as I've already explained you, market is always uncertain. Okay, so remember, if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, because if the market is uncertain, so always try to set your SL, that will save your capital, and always try to trail your SL, that will save your profit. These two things you should be doing. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $30. Okay, if the price started moving below that level, we can see a level of 29.7. Suppose if the price started moving below that particular zone, chance of touching a level of 29 we can see. Okay, and if that level move further low, a further fall we can see towards a level of 28.715. Okay, and once the price started falling below a level of 28.715, we can see a level of around $27.5. Again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $30, then to a level of 29.7. If the price started moving below that particular zone, chance of touching 29 we can see, and then to a level of 28.7. Okay, and once the price started falling below 28.7, we can see it will fall further low towards 27.479. Okay, and if that sustained below that level, we can see it will fall below a level of $27. Okay, if the price started falling below 27.4, a probability of touching 26.8 we can see, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of around $26. Okay, and once started going below 26, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $25.28, and then further low, because it will come in this zone. Okay, so if the price started falling below 25, I'll make another video. Okay, now remember this, that the price started falling below 25, it will move in this zone. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.